Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cards TV. I ran in Big Lots yesterday because I like to go in every so often. They get these really great paper packs in at a great price. And I found this one. I just love it. It's by Cloud9 Design and it's called Specialty Double-Sided Cardstock. And this particular one is called Cocoa Mint. I love these papers. They're perfect for feminine or masculine cards, but I especially like it for masculine cards. It's got these beautiful blues and rich brown and orange and kind of a light gold. Let me show you some of them. And I love that they're double-sided. That just makes all the difference, and they all coordinate. Look at this. Now this one, a couple of them in here, they're called luster papers because they have shiny spots on them, almost like it has a gloss to it. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but it's really, really pretty. There you go. But they all coordinate. On the back of this one, there's kind of that light gold or mustard color. Lots of browns. This is another luster paper with a little bit of blue in it. Let me hurry. This would be great for a scrapbook page. This has blue on the back. Here's a nice stripe. Be great for a masculine card with kind of a craft color on the back. There's just lots and lots of them in here. Look at these colors. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them. And I think it'd be great for a mini album too. A shaped mini album because they all coordinate. Oh, I love this one. It's so pretty. I like that one too. Anyway. A friend on Facebook is asking for cards for her dad. He's been battling a medical problem for about 20 years and he's having surgery today. So she's asked for prayer and for cards for him. He especially likes cards made with the Cricut. So I thought this paper would be great for a masculine get well card. And I haven't used the Songbird cartridge in a while. And I kind of like it for a masculine card because it does have the birds and things on here, but it's just the silhouette. You know, there's not any little cutesy details. So I thought, well, that would be kind of a cheerful, nice get well card for a man to use the Songbird cartridge. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do, and we're going to put together a masculine get well card using Songbird and this specialty paper pack. And also, I ask you guys to let me know if you'd like the dimensions, the cut sizes during the video or at the end of the video. And it was almost unanimous that you like them at the end of the video, so you can stop it and write them down. A few of you liked them during or didn't care at all. But because so many of you want them at the end, that's the way I'm going to be doing it from now on. And we'll see how that goes. I like doing it that way too, because when I go to edit, I don't have to keep stopping and trying to figure out, where to put the measurements in. And sometimes they don't match up with what's on the screen. So this will work, I think. This way we'll get the measurements out and you can just go ahead and watch the whole video and then stop and write them down at your leisure. But let's get going on this masculine get well card. Okay, I've decided to go with this paper out of the paper pack. I really like it. It has flowers, but they're not feminine looking flowers. And they have the blue in there and a little bit of orange. And then I like the color on the back side as well. We're going to have a white card base. And we're going to use the gold color as a mat. And also use the flowered mat and then a piece of blue on that. And I'm going to give you all the dimensions and the cut sizes for the images at the end, and I'll also give you a supply list. And I have this really pretty ribbon, and I think it's fine if you put ribbon on a man's card. I'm not going to tie it in a bow or anything. I'm just going to put some across for an accent. And this is from Offray, and it's called Old Gold. And I think it'll look really nice on there. And for my image, I haven't decided yet, but there's this cute little bird on top of a birdhouse under perch on page 24. And I may use that one, but then there's also one of a bird on a little fence on page 70. So I'm going to use one or maybe both, I don't know, but I'll be using one of those on the card. And I'm going to go ahead and put this together. I'm going to speed it up and make it from start to finish, and then I'll have your supply list and your measurements at the end of the video. So here we go. Here's my little masculine get well card. I think it turned out kind of cute. Don't know if you can see, but I took my white gel pen and I did some little dots and dashes all around this top note piece. Now this is also in Songbird. And I took some chalk where I couldn't get in with the ink and chalked in between the boards of the fence. And then I took my little pointed Q-tip and went around the bottom of the bird and around the outside, and that kind of defines the shape of the bird from the fence. And I also put some little dots on my fence. But I think it turned out kind of cute, and it was fun to pull out an old cartridge that I hadn't used for a while. It's fun to get new ones too, don't get me wrong. We all love getting new cartridges, but there's still some great stuff on the old ones. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye now.